Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of shared core machine types in Google Cloud Platform. I'll explain more details about in which scenario cases can you use for shared core machine in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about what are the benefits of shared core machine types in Google Cloud Platform so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. As you can see here, what is sharecore machine types? Sharecore machine types are designed for workload that do not require a full vCPU. They provide a fractional vCPU for your workload. They are cost effective and suitable for lightweight tasks or application with low CPU demands. Sharecore machine types are ideal for small workload or application that do not require dedicated processing power. These machines are grouped together on a physical host and the CPU is timed slightly among them. Sharecore machines are part of the general resource pool where multiple small workloads share the same physical host. They are cost effective but offer limited CPU resources. Sharecore machine types provide a fractional vCPU for your workload. This means that the CPU resources are shared among multiple instances on the same physical host. They are designed for lightweight workload that do not require the full power of a dedicated vCPU. They are ideal for scenario where cost optimization is priority and the workload can operate effectively with a limited CPU resources. Sharecore machines are cost effective, making them suitable for small application, test environment and workloads with low CPU demands. Sharecore instances are part of a multi-tenant environment, which means they share the same physical host with other instances from different users. Now guys, I hope so you can understand what is sharecore machines in Google Cloud Platform. In which scenario cases are sharecore machines used in GCE? Sharecore machine types are typically used in scenario where cost optimization is a priority and the workload does not require a substantial CPU resources. Here are some specific use cases for sharecore machines I will explain here. For an example, development and testing environment. Sharecore instance can be cost effective for developers and tester working on a lightweight application or project with the low CPU demands. For another example like microservices and containerized workload. For microservices that handle lightweight tasks and do not require dedicated vCPU, sharecore instances can be suitable for these microservices and containerized workload. As you know guys, the low traffic web application. Small websites with low traffic may not require a full vCPU. Sharecore instance can handle these types of workload efficiently. For another example like script executions and batch processing job. Tasks, the tasks such as script execution and batch processing jobs and the lightweight data processing jobs that do not require a significant computing power can benefit from sharecore instances. Now guys, you understand in which scenario cases the sharecore machines can be beneficial for your project requirement. As you can see here, the sum of the benefits of using sharecore machine in Google Compute Engine like sharecore cost efficiency, resource flexibility, suitable for small workload, balance resource allocations as I mentioned here. The cost efficiency. Share code instances are cost effective, making them suitable for workload with low CPU demands. They allow you to optimize cost by paying for only the fraction of CPU resources you use. And the resource flexibility, like they are a good fit for lightweight tasks or application that do not require the full power of a dedicated vCPU. This makes them ideal for development and testing environments. The share code instances are well suited for small web application, scripts and batch jobs with a low moderate traffic. And they provide a balanced amount of CPU and memory resources, ensuring that the available resources are sufficient for the given workload. Now guys, I hope so you can understand the concept of the sharecore machine types and in which scenario cases the sharecore machine types used in Google Compute Engine. Thank you. Have a great day.